Welcome to Ngobo 10 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us grow. For breaking news, please visit our website on www.ngobo2010shopi.co.za. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 10 Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 2, Sekhukhune United 0. My brother, how's it?
Sharp,
Thanks, man. How do you feel about the game?
Last time Sunday besonke inhliziyo zethu bezibuhlungu yeah but ngeke analyze something and ama-fans we-Chiefs amanye kuma comment bathi ibhola ngilazi but ke ibhola si-analyze ngendlela ezohlukeneyo yeah last time bengithetha nge-combination kaMabuya noNdlovu yeah so today bamphere nomthetho and bebedlala ibhola egrand la emidlini umthetho khona u-interceptor lama balls aqhawula lama balls at least adlalisile ntuka yethu but i-problem efuneke siyilungise i-back 3 yethu ine problem ithanda udlala backwards too much so at least if like uFroza kamdlalisanga kakhulu uphili kwi-first half and ela side la belivulekile if besisebenzise ela side kakhulu maybe ngesithole ama-goals before i-first half so at least namhlanje kuyabanda sibuya sonwabile ukuthi at least uKing Solomon ucreate ipass sharp by interceptor sakhona ukuthola igoal so well done to the Kaizer Chiefs. Amakhosi for life
Saba kakhulu.